When upgrading your home with new slider windows, it's easy to focus on the style, frame material, or glass features. While those elements are important, one factor has an even bigger impact on performance: proper installation. For homeowners in Mesa, where intense heat and dry conditions are part of everyday life, how your slider windows are installed can make all the difference in comfort, efficiency, and long-term value. Slider windows are designed to open horizontally along a track, making them a convenient and space-saving option for many homes. They're known for their ease of use and wide glass panels that bring in natural light. However, these benefits can quickly diminish if the windows are not installed correctly. One of the most important ways proper installation affects performance is through energy efficiency. Mesa's hot climate means your windows must work hard to keep cool air inside and block heat from entering. If slider windows are not properly aligned or sealed during installation, small gaps can form around the frame. These gaps allow hot air to seep in and conditioned air to escape, forcing your air conditioning system to work overtime. A professional installation ensures a tight seal, helping maintain a consistent indoor temperature and reducing energy costs. Another key benefit of proper installation is smooth operation. Slider windows rely on tracks and rollers to open and close easily. If the frame is not installed level and square, it can cause the window to stick, drag, or become difficult to move. Over time, this added strain can wear down the hardware, leading to costly repairs or replacements. When installed correctly, slider windows glide effortlessly, making them convenient and reliable for daily use. In Mesa, dust and debris are also common concerns. Poorly installed windows can leave tiny openings where dust can enter your home. This not only affects indoor cleanliness but can also impact air quality. Proper installation includes secure sealing and weather stripping, which helps keep dust, dirt, and outdoor pollutants out of your living space. Water intrusion is another issue that can arise from improper installation. While Mesa may not experience heavy rainfall year-round, storms do occur, and even small amounts of water can cause damage if windows are not sealed correctly. Improper flashing or gaps around the frame can allow water to seep in, leading to issues like mold, mildew, or structural damage. A professional installer ensures that all protective measures are in place to keep moisture out. Noise reduction is another area where installation plays a big role. Slider windows with insulated glass are designed to reduce outside noise, creating a quieter indoor environment. However, if there are gaps or misalignments, sound can easily travel through those openings. Proper installation helps maintain the integrity of the window's insulation, allowing you to enjoy a more peaceful home. Security is also directly impacted by how well your windows are installed. A poorly fitted slider window may not lock properly or could be easier to force open. Professionally installed windows fit snugly within the frame and include secure locking mechanisms, giving you added peace of mind. Beyond functionality, proper installation enhances the overall appearance of your windows. Misaligned frames, uneven gaps, or visible ceiling issues can detract from your home's look. A precise installation creates a clean, polished finish that complements your home's design and boosts curb appeal. Durability is another long-term benefit. When slider windows are installed correctly, they are less likely to shift, warp, or develop issues over time. This ensures that your investment continues to perform well for years with minimal maintenance. Finally, proper installation helps protect your warranty. Many window manufacturers require professional installation for warranties to remain valid. Cutting corners during installation could lead to unexpected expenses if problems arise later. In the end, even the highest quality slider windows won't deliver their full benefits without proper installation. For homeowners in Mesa, this step is essential for maximizing energy efficiency, comfort, and performance. By choosing experienced professionals, you can ensure your slider windows operate smoothly, look great, and provide lasting value for your home.